isn't working. But it's so cold outside. I don't want to go to Lawson to get help. Oh, virtual office hours. Let me check the Piazza.
A few moments later.
Hi, my name is Riley. What can I help you with?
Hi, thanks. So I'm having this problem with one of the homework one. I'm just getting an array index out of bounds exception, and I don't know what the problem is. Here, let me share my screen with you.
Sure, yeah, I'll take a look at it. Okay, yeah, I can see your screen now. Let me see. Yeah, so it looks like, remember with arrays, we start indexing at 0 instead of 1. So it looks like you're going from 1 to the length. You want to go from 0 to length minus 1.
Oh, that's right, that's right. Okay, I'll make those changes now. I'll rerun it. Oh, great, it works now.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Sure. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that'll be all. Thanks.